Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I just wanted to make this quick video to let you all know that from now on, I'll be uploading videos on a weekly basis.
Wow.
Because I know that some of you may be disappointed because I was uploading 3 times a week before. Because I was uploading things as these as bevers as wah wah with wah 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 ya wah 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 and wah 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 ma wah 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 sa ta wah 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 sa wah what's wah 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 what's wah wah wah. The reason why I'm uploading less frequently is so that I can spend more time on each video, improving the quality of my content for you guys, and also to avoid burnout. I really want to keep this channel going for as long as possible, and in order to do that, I need to pace myself and not burn out. Now, some of you may be thinking, why don't you just take a break instead? Well, I've taken several breaks already, like when I went on vacation or when I got sick. But even after those breaks, I still felt burnt out. So I realized that the only way for me to get rid of this burnout is to take a step back and reevaluate how I'm running this channel. And after thinking long and hard about it, I realized that uploading less frequently is the best option. By uploading weekly, I'll be able to focus on bringing you guys high-quality, well-researched videos that I know you'll love. I'll be able to explore more topics in depth and bring you guys more interesting content. Trust me, this is for the best for both myself and for the channel. I know that some of you may be disappointed that you woe and be seeing new videos every single day, but I hope that you understand. I really hope so. But if you are someone who is always looking forward to my new uploads, then don't worry. This shouldn't affect you too much because I found that most of you are not subscribers. In fact, only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribers. Now, this isn't a bad thing at all. It's actually pretty normal. Most YouTubers have a very small percentage of viewers who are actually subscribed. But this does mean that a lot of you are just here by chance and have you actually hit that subscribe button. If you're one of those people and you enjoy my content, then please consider subscribing. It would really help support the channel, and it would allow you to see my content more often. So yeah, I really hope that you guys understand. I'm trying my best here, and I really want this channel to succeed. I've put so much time, effort, and passion into it, and it would mean the world to me if you guys could just give me your support. Now, I know that some of you may not like this change, but please give it a try. Let me upload weekly for a few weeks, and then we can talk about it. I'm open to your guys' feedback, and if you feel like this isn't working out, then we can always talk about it. But I really want to ask you guys to trust me on this. I know what I'm doing, and I promise you that you won't be disappointed. Thank you all so much for listening and for being so supportive. I really appreciate it. Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on today's video. Bye guys! Oh, and remember, even though I'm uploading weekly now, if there's something really important going on in the world of AI, I will make a video about it even if it's not scheduled. So make sure to stay tuned just in case.